Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, mostly it moves in a range. Okay, as soon as it breaks a particular range, that is where it goes upside as well as downside. A range break, we have seen a fall has come. As soon as it forms a swing, that is where after pandemic we have seen most of the commodities energy prices went up. Okay, because as the demand increases, the price started rising up. Okay, after that what we have seen, there is a pattern forming. Okay, this is the flag pattern which has formed. So there is a fall we have seen, and then a zone breakout had happened. That is where it moved upside, and this is the period where the price of silver was very volatile. Okay, it has already made a low of around $17.5. Keep that in mind, that once the price comes close to this level, we can see a bounce back can come, or if it moves below this level, then you can see further fall, because this level we have not seen since July of 2020. So chances are high that if the price comes close to this level, we can see further fall. Now the price is trading at a level of $24.920. Okay, and if you have seen my previous video, I have categorically told you that chances are very high that it can go further high, because and if it sustain, the higher chances was that when it sustain a level of 24.5, it will go further high, because that this is the resistance. Okay, and probability of going further upside is there. Okay, this is I have told you. And those who have taken a good risk, where I have already explained you that if the price sustain above a level of around $23, chances was very high it can go further upside. Okay, because a trend similarities are forming, where I'll show you. See, this is a U pattern is forming. After that an upside we have seen. In the same way we have seen this similar pattern has formed here. Okay, so there is high chances that now if you look at this particular trend, there is again a similar pattern is trying to form, and chances are very high if the price sustain above a level of $24.629, it will go further high, and now it is trading above that particular level and now trading at a level of $24.920. Okay, so before we move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can go, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, it can go further upside, and a probability of going towards $25 is there. Okay, now once the price sustain above a level of 25, we can see it can touch a level of around $25.393. This $25.393 is already being tested here. So what I mean to say that there is a high chance of going further upside. Okay, and it can cross this particular level. So we are on the bullish side, and a probability is that it can go towards a level of $25.597. Okay, and suppose if the price sustain above that particular level, it can cross that particular zone also, and a probability of crossing a level of 25.897 is there. 25.897 is also being a weak support, weak resistance. So chances of very high it can touch a level of $26.289. Okay, so what I mean to say is that if the price sustain this level, chances are very high it can cross this particular zone, it can cross this particular zone, and it can cross these particular zone, because these are levels are already being tested here. So chances of touching a level of $26 is there, and the further upside we can see it can touch a level of $26.784. Why? Because all these levels in between, all these resistance are already tested here. So chances will be high it can cross that particular zone, and chances of touching a level of $26.895 is there, and then we can see it can touch a level of 27. Okay, if the price sustain above a level of $25.5, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. But you have to understand something, till the time it is sustaining a level of around $24.692, chances of sustaining above a level will be there, and it can move upside and can make a new high also. There is high chances. Okay, so now understand, this is a new high since July of 2021. Okay, and once it crosses this level, you can see it can go further upside. Okay, this is where the good movement we have seen in silver as well as in gold, but gold volatility is quite high, but there is a continuous upside we have seen in the silver. Okay, now you have to understand something. Market is always uncertain. Okay, so a sharp rise and a sharp fall will only come when there is a big event coming or there is a breakout happening. Okay, and now otherwise how it market moves, it hold for some time, that is how it goes upside. In the same way it comes down like this. Okay, so always try to set your SL. Okay, if you think that the market will go up, whether you think whatever you think, always set your SL. That will save your capital. And always set your limit for a particular trade, for a particular day, for a particular week, and for a particular month. Why? Because suppose if you lose, your capital is $100,000, and if you lose $50,000 in a day, that is a very big mistake you will do. Okay, so always try to set a limit for a particular day, not maximum of 0.5 to 1% for a particular trade and maximum of 5% for a day. Okay, this is maximum, I'm telling you. The benefit of this you will see in the longer run. How? Suppose for a day your maximum loss you can handle is 5% loss. So now you will not be in a pressure to recover this 5% for a day, but you can focus more on profit the next day, and it will easily help you recover this amount. But what people do is they lose so much money, 30%, 40% in a single day. That is where they try to recover it, and then they lose their full capital. This is what they do. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can touch a level of around $24.735. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, it can move further down towards a level of $24.480. Okay, now once the price fall below $24.480, it can cross that particular zone, and a probability of going towards a level of $24.135 is there. And once the price fall below that particular level, it can go further down, and chances are very high it can go towards a level of $23.979. Okay, now once the price fall below $23.979, chances are very high it can move further low, and a probability of going towards $23.732 is there. Again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, the next support we can see coming at a level of $24.671. So you have to keep it in mind. If this level is sustaining, a bounce back we can see, or if that level move further down, then yes, you can see it can come towards a level of $24.166 and then further low. Why? Because this is the support. Okay, once this support breaks, all these levels are already being tested, so chances of touching 24.135 is there, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 23.917. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, yes, then it will come in a zone of $23.276, and from there we can see it can go further down towards a level of $23.096. Okay, and if the price fall below that level, we can see it can fall further low. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.